Welcome back. Today we'll stop talking and start building. We are going to set up Snowflake and master CRUD operations. Create, read, update and delete, all in under 5 minutes. First, the setup. Unlike the old school databases, you don't install anything. In Snowflake, data lives on cloud. Go to signup.snowflake.com, grab a 30-day free license. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to give any credit card, no servers to manage. Let's go. First of all, we'll come to ChatGPT and we'll set up our infrastructure, which is required for Snowflake. So I have created a prompt, so I'll just copy it, in which I'm asking ChatGPT to act like a Snowflake admin, write SQL to create a warehouse, a database and a schema, which are the building blocks for writing SQLs or storing any data. So, let's hit it. Okay, we'll wait for it to finish. So we got the script to create a warehouse, create a database and a schema, and just a very simple script. We come and copy this, right? We'll run one by one. So we are creating a warehouse, we are creating a database, we are creating a schema, and we are just using all the things which we have created. So, now, what we wanted to learn is the next, CRUD operations. So CRUD operations are basically create, read, update and delete. So what we have to do here is, I will again ask ChatGPT to give me all the SQLs required for learning CRUD operations. So let me paste this prompt. So what I'm asking is, as a data engineer, create a table, then give me all the SQLs demonstrating CRUD operation, along with filtering and sorting. Let's hit it. Okay, we got all the required scripts. We'll come back to Snowflake. To start with this, we'll go with C of CRUD, which is create. We'll create a table and add some data into it. Okay, so both are done. So now we'll come to R of CRUD, which is read operation. So at the first statement, we'll select all the data from this table. Then we'll do a kind of required columns. Let's say I just want to look at ID, name and role from this table. So I'll run that. Now, next part is where we are selecting the data along with a filter. The filter is very straightforward here. Give me all the records where salary is greater than 80,000. Let's run this. Okay, this is a very similar command where we are asking, give me all the data where role is data engineer. Okay, we got it. Next is, let's learn how to sort the data. For sorting, we are using order by clause. It is followed by a column name and the order itself. It can be ascending order or it can be descending order. We'll look at example of each one of these. Here I'm asking for all the data in salary, like order by salary in ascending order. In the second one, I'm asking in descending order. Okay, we got the required data here, right? Now, we are done with read operation. Let's go to the update operation, which is U, right, of CRUD. For update, I wanted to update the salary of an employee, right, where name is Amit Sharma. So, it is updated. Now, I wanted to give 10% increment to all my engineers, okay? So I have a filter where role, like operator, which is engineer, and I'm giving salary, and salary into 1.1%, right? So I have given the increment of 10%. Now let's go look at the D, which is delete operations. So in this one, I'm deleting data for ID 8. Then I am deleting data where salary is less than 70,000. Okay, so we're done with all the delete and update. We'll do a final verification. We are done with all the CRUD operations. So, look how easy it is to get started. You can pick up new skills in just 5 minutes using cloud data warehousing and AI. In the next video, we'll keep our journey ongoing with join operations, which is one of the most important skills of SQL. And if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you in the next one. Thank you.